Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening settings right away. Use the launcher or press Alt plus Shift plus S to get there. Once done, go to Device and then Keyboard to find Chromebook key mappings. Make sure accessibility or developer options are enabled only if required to reveal additional remapping controls. Decide which shortcut you will change and test its current behavior before editing so you know the baseline. This prevents surprises when you apply a new mapping. Now remap the keys. In Device right arrow keyboard, click the specific key label and pick a new action from the list. This is the simplest path. If the built-in choices don't cover your need, use crash commands or install a trusted extension to create custom mappings, making sure to follow extension permissions. After applying changes, test the remapped shortcut across apps. If it conflicts with another shortcut, change one mapping and retest until behavior is consistent and predictable. Finish by saving any changes and restarting or signing out to ensure the new shortcuts persist across sessions. If a remapped shortcut fails, revert it to the default, disable extensions that may intercept keys, and retest. Sometimes a Chrome OS update or extension conflict blocks custom mappings. Make a short list of your custom changes so you can reapply them after system updates or a power wash. If problems continue, use the reset option in keyboard settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.